Hello everybody, today I have 60150 Lego City Pizza Van. It has 249 pieces. I'm going to speed build it, so here we go. It includes 2 pizza boxes and a 2-piece of pizza. Only one pizza box is printed though. It included 2 minifigures, the delivering lady and the chef, and here's the other side. None of them had devil-sized heads. The sides open up so the chef can give you the pizza. The top opens up so you can put the chef in to drive the truck around. You just put the roof back on, except the main roof isn't meant to come off, you just have to really take it off. It's not really meant to come off. Let's see a short video about this.
We're open.
Can I have that pizza over there?
No, that's my pizza.
Can you make me pizza?
No, I don't have any dough left. So goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe below.